Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sparking up a guide to the best TIG welding machines. Whether you're a professional welder or a hobbyist looking for precision and control, these TIG welders are perfect, creating clean, high-quality welds on various metal. We'll be showcasing top models known for their versatility, ease of use, and advanced features. Ready to find the perfect TIG welder for your projects? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine. When it comes to precision and versatility in welding, the ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine AC/DC 200 amp stands out as a top contender. With its advanced technology and multi-process capabilities, this welder is designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering impressive performance on a wide range of materials. The ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welder is a multi-process machine supporting various welding methods such as TIG AC square, TIG AC triangular, TIG AC pulse square, TIG AC pulse triangular, TIG DC pulse, TIG DC, and stick welding. This diversity makes it an all-in-one solution for various metals and alloys, including aluminum, magnesium, stainless steel, carbon steel, and copper. The inclusion of stick mode also saves costs on shielding gas, making it ideal for tasks like equipment repairs or fencing. One of the standout features is the patented -arc technology, which enhances the machine's arc striking speed from 200 ms to just 40 milliseconds, an arc striking success rate of 99.99%. This significantly improves welding efficiency and ensures high-quality results, even on more challenging tasks. The machine's digital constant current regulation technology also guarantees low noise and a stable arc, improving overall welding performance. The AC/DC TIG welder is equipped with multiple waveform options that ensure precise and clean welds. Pulse function. This prevents the burning of materials and minimizes distortion caused by excessive heat, making it perfect for thin metal welding. Triangular waveform. It reduces heat input effectively, allowing weld forms to develop rapidly, which is beneficial for delicate projects. Square waveform switches the polarity quickly and provides a stable weld pool. Number 4. TIG Welding Machine. For those seeking a reliable and efficient welding solution, the TIG Welding Machine IGBT HF DC Inverter Digital Welder stands out as a versatile choice. Combining advanced technology with practical features, this semi-automatic 2-in-1 machine offers both TIG and stick MMA welding capabilities, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The TIG welding machine utilizes IGBT inverter technology, known for its robustness and efficiency. This advanced technology ensures powerful welding performance while providing essential overload protection. The machine is designed to safeguard against overvoltage, low voltage, overcurrent, and overheat situations, enhancing safety and reliability during operation. Number 3. HZXVOGEN Cold TIG Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN Cold TIG Welding Machine HBT 2000 PII is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both professional and hobbyist welders. With its advanced features and capabilities, this welding machine stands out in the market for its precision and efficiency in various welding applications. The HZXVOGEN HBT 2000 PII utilizes IGBT inverter technology, which provides enhanced performance and reliability. This technology ensures a stable and efficient welding arc, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. This machine supports multiple welding processes, including DC TIG, arc, and cold TIG. With an arc force current range of 10 to 200 amps and an arc ignition current range of 20 to 200 amps, it offers versatility for different welding tasks. Number 2. VEVOR 210A 3-in-1 TIG Welder. VEVOR 210A 3-in-1 TIG Welder stands out for its multifunctional capabilities, combining TIG, arc, and clean welding modes into one versatile unit. Designed for both professional and hobbyist welders, this machine offers a range of features that make it a valuable addition to any workshop. The VEVOR 210A allows users to easily switch between 3 welding functions: HF TIG welding, stick welding, and clean mode. The inclusion of a TIG welding torch enhances its versatility, making it suitable for a variety of welding tasks. The welder features an intuitive back panel with an uncomplicated design, allowing users to either use the presets or fine-tune the machine to their preferences. Number 1. HZXVOGEN 4-in-1 HF TIG Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN 4-in-1 HF TIG Welding Machine is a versatile and powerful welding tool designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. With a combination of arc, AC TIG, DC TIG, and pulse TIG capabilities, this industrial-grade machine offers precision, durability, and high performance. If you're looking to weld materials like aluminum, steel, and copper with ease and precision, this machine could be an excellent choice. The HZXVOGEN 4-in-1 welding machine is highly capable when it comes to handling various materials. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.